Hello, and welcome to Money Mystery No More. Let's talk about smart money tactics to use now. While each person and each business deals with money on a regular basis, every day in fact, we are talking about your money, your personal everyday dollars, your money, day in, day out. Let's look at smart money tactics to use now to help you now. Strategies and ideas that you will realize are smart ways to put more money in your pocket because it will be money saved, money not spent, or money earned, and realistically, a combination of all that. You'll get the most out of this by listening for the common smart money tactics used by keeping it simple. It's awesome. And remember, hit that subscribe button to keep getting the latest and greatest information. Okay, let's remove the mystery. You might ask, what are money tactics and how can I benefit from them? That is a great question and leads to several options which offer massive value. The word tactic itself means a specific action intended to get a particular result or defined as a planned method for achieving a particular result. Money tactics are basically strategies or behaviors tied to money-related transactions. You have a desired outcome based on your actions. Perhaps you consider them little hacks to use, save, earn, or make money work more in your favor. The good news, there are many simple money tactics to help you achieve this regularly. No matter your age, you can implement money tactics to create a cushion in your daily money matters. Young adults, let's assume under the age of 30, have an advantage of time on their side for much longer realized benefits. Implementing smart money tactics early in life will result in a discipline with money that will lead to more of it and potentially later a very comfortable financial lifestyle with less financial stress. Then we have the group, say up to 60. The term middle age doesn't fit quite nicely, but these 30 to 60-year-old folks are typically in the grind of life. Frequently, incoming money is more stable and nearing the maximum income earning stage. They may have families and want stability in their life. Therefore, if they've never really implemented smart money tactics before age 30, it's a fantastic time to get things smoothed out financially, along with positive changes in money behavior. Let's move to seniors, post age 60. Retirement is looking promising, and smart money tactics may be important to make every dollar count, unless financially independent. Statistically though, the average American is not fully prepared for retirement, so it is safe to say that even seniors can implement smart money tactics to make every dollar stretch a little further. As just discussed, age is not really relevant because no matter your age, you can implement smart money tactics for positive results. But you do need a reason, a purpose, to get serious about a strategy because your daily routine is an easy distraction. Making the decision for smart money tactics will impact every aspect of your life from work, housing, relationships, retirement, and your peace of mind. With all the current daily life happenings, think about the retirement situation. Anyone born in 1960 or later has a target retirement of age 67. Roughly 40% of people rely on Social Security for more than half of their income, with 9 out of 10 over age 65 receiving those benefits as of 2023. Shockingly, the typical retired person is not even getting $2,000 a month from Social Security. At about $1,875 a month, many folks are disappointed, having contributed 35, 45 years expecting a safety net in the end. The $23,000 per year just isn't going to cut it. Wake up, folks. Get your smart money tactics in place, ideally long before retirement. To avoid getting caught off guard, you should implement smart money tactics now, today, without delay. Start with small steps if you want, or just plunge in hard and fast. Either way, sooner the better, because time is your friend in this scenario. You definitely will realize benefits immediately, but the biggest gain is over time. Think of it like investing. While there is not a single path or formula unique to each individual for long-term success, there is one time-proven strategy that just keeps winning. It's long-term investing and having that long-term investing mentality. Let's go through several smart money tactics that are simple to implement. Some will have immediate impact and many, as you observe, will have that long-term benefit even when being done daily, starting now. Make money on the side. Create an online business. If you have a few hours each week to have a side hustle, do it. There are endless opportunities that are not time intensive, such as affiliate marketing, selling something, consulting, especially if you're an expert of a certain subject matter, or even social media. Get monetized through videos and/or shorts. The next item is pay yourself first. Why? Because you must remember to take care of yourself before all other expenses. The old adage of saving 10% is a great starting point, and you is a top 10 smart money tactic. Auto deposit into your savings, IRA, 401ks, bonds, etc. It's simple. Just remember to put something aside every single time you are paid. Another one, choose loans wisely. If you are going to take out a loan, shop around. Understand the details involving the APR, fees, early payoff, payment schedule, and so forth. By doing your homework, you may save hundreds if not thousands of dollars. Be credit card savvy. There is a lot to unbundle with credit cards as a smart money tactic, and you are encouraged to watch my video, Credit Cards and Credit Card Use, to really get some great information. Let's look at direct deposit. This smart money tactic is in the top 10 list because it is so simple. Direct deposit allows you to place money into a variety of accounts that you simply don't touch because it's part of your long-term financial strategy. Create strong credit. Another real important smart money tactic. For some straight talk on how to best utilize this strategy, watch my video, Correcting Your Credit Score. Forecast your income and expenses. You will find this in the top 10 strategies because the discipline teaches you to understand your inflows and outflows extremely well. You will be in tune with your financial reality. It's part of budgeting. Work within a budget. Another top 10 on the smart money tactic list. Let's pull no punches, work within a budget. Learn more by watching my video, Budget Money for More Cash, Easy Money, for a simple approach. Then there's auto deduction, auto pay. Having your bills on an automatic payment schedule is a great discipline and helps you avoid late fees and additional cost. Easiest items to put on auto pay are vehicles, rent or mortgage, and insurance. Let's minimize subscriptions. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Minimize them because they are easy to add up and very easy to forget. In fact, a survey found about 40% of people still pay for a subscription they stopped using at nearly $130 each month. It adds up to the tune of $1,500 per year. Here's another easy one, cook your own meals. Hate to be the bearer of bad news here, but if you eat out, say 2 times per week for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, it's costing you dearly. Adding insult to injury, those fast meals are most likely not providing you any fair share of nutrition or brain-heart healthy benefits. Using some simple low-end estimates for the cost of eating out for an $8 breakfast, $15 lunch, and a $20 dinner, the average person is spending about $370 every month. Think about that, nearly $4,500 a year. Imagine what else you can do with that kind of money. Heck, even half of that money. So yeah, the message here is simple and absolutely in the top 10 smart money tactics. Make your own meals. Eat before you do your grocery shopping. Being hungry when shopping for food is proven to cause impulse buying and getting several more items than planned. The simple top 10 smart money tactic here is to not be hungry when you do your grocery shopping. We're already at letter M. Shop around. Do your research on prices, especially on appliances, IT, yard features, and furniture of every kind. You know, vacuum cleaners, refrigerators, washers, dryers, hand saws, dog food, wine racks, athletic gear, monitors, laptops, and so forth. Every item has a unique price point, but shopping around is the smartest way to put more money in your pocket because it will be money saved and money not spent. Use discount stores. Seemingly obvious, but it may surprise you that many people don't consider discount stores. Marketing from all the big box stores has conditioned people to shop at their stores, but most discounters offer all the name brands at a better price. You can literally find everything from socks to tables and even a full array of food items for baking or dining. How about coupons and rebates? This top 10 smart money tactic is simple because most grocers and retailers now offer digital deals. Just load them on your phone app and literally each year save and earn hundreds of dollars with this strategy. Finally, club cards, a no-brainer, and of course, it's in the top 10 smart money tactics. You must buy groceries, so do it by saving thousands of dollars each year. Simply register and remember to type in your phone number when it's time to pay at the register. Watch the bill drop from $100 to $70. It's a great feeling. Ultimately, you get to decide how to implement smart money tactics into your daily financial behavior. You are in control though, and that is good news. You can clearly see the many opportunities to put more money in your pocket because it will be money saved, money not spent, or money earned by making some small adjustments and by keeping it simple. Remember, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you keep getting the latest and greatest information from Money Mystery No More. I'll see you in the next video.